My name is Ukinebo Dare. I'm the Managing Director of the Edo State Skills Development Agency, popularly known as Edo Jobs. So today we are here for Lucky and Favour, two very creative, brilliant young men, young minds that we identified, and is not just an isolated incident. You know that for the last 2 years we've had Edo Innovation Hub in Edo State, where we've been working with bright, young, intelligent people in Edo State, training them, helping them to mold their skills and to showcase them to the world. So, but then we have a special case in Favour and Lucky, because they are really young and on their own they already had these beautiful and fantastic inventions. So they met with the deputy governor, and this whole package was put together for them to provide them with laptops, to provide them with 1 year supply of 1 year into free internet, to provide them with tools, support them to register for their junior work, whatever it is that they need, because we want to encourage them and push them to continue in this direction with the right mentorship. So we signed them up for 1 year for Junior Tech Africa. They're also our partners at the Edo Innovation Hub, and for Curators University. So they can also learn robotics. So beyond just creating these inventions, they can commercialize them, they can really take Edo State and the world into the future.
I loved something about hair, I love dealing with aviation and all that. So with time, with some assistance for some people, and I've been seeing things. So I've been able to grow up and cultivating that habit. So actually, I've been going for, by the grace of God, I've been going for competitions, and I've been coming out well. So I believe that with this assistance that the government has given to me, I will be able to make more things and get more materials. And also for my education, I believe that with the financial assistance they've given to me, I will develop myself more and have a better background in education. My dream is that I want to break a record in Nigeria. Like you see, passenger drones, they are not actually common in Nigeria. We don't even have them in Nigeria. So I would love passenger drones to be like to transport people. In Dubai, you can see their passenger drones, but in Nigeria, we can't see them. So I believe that if we can get a company, like a passenger drone company, to carry people from one place to another. So that's my dream for now.
So Junior Tech Africa is a platform on African within the age of 5 to 18. So we focus more on mentorship for this category. Now we've chosen STEM education as a pivot platform to use for mentorship, as a mentorship tool. And for what we do with them, computer introduction to the computer, know how to use the computer. We also have computer programming and robotics. Also, we also introduce in every aspect of our trainings what we call leadership. So it's more of an all-round thing that we give to them. We have a working relationship. In fact, our working relationship is quite large with local, international. So one of the beautiful things we've done with Edo State government is to get to the grassroots. So beyond just what we're doing outside Nigeria and within Nigeria, Edo State government, we've done lots of projects with Edo State government. Yeah. One thing we discovered about what they have, we can see immense talent already, and our role here is to guide them. So we have lots of opportunities, so we are not just exposed to what we have to offer, but also from other sources that we're going to expose them to. So that's it.
The Edo State government has support me, so they support me with money. They also support me with laptops to browse what I want to do, and they say they will also bought me a real material to invent things, not waste material. They also say they will train me for Edo Technical College, so I use waste material to invent things. When I see something like now, all those cars now, for example, I saw that car now, my mate just say invent this car, so I go out in the streets, pick some waste material to invent the car. My dream is to become a mechanical engineer in future.